Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Today's video is a tour of my office, my editing room, my walk-in closet room, a little bit of everything. I don't really know exactly what to call it, so you guys can let me know if you have any ideas. But you guys have been so patient waiting for this video, so thank you so much. I know I've said it's coming for the longest time, and I'm just really glad to finally share it with you. I filled up this thing with you guys. I don't know what I call that video, but so many people asked me for like a walkthrough and links to a bunch of different things, so I'm gonna link to as much stuff as I can for you in the description box below. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. Give this a like if you enjoy it and you'd like me to keep doing like home decor style videos, and let's get started. Alright, so here is an overview of the room on this side, and then I will jump to the other side to show you the other side. But the first thing I want to talk about, or just mention to you, is the wallpaper on the ceiling. It's a temporary wallpaper. I believe the company is Rocky Mountain. I'm gonna link to them, but I found them on Instagram, I believe. And I'm just obsessed with semi-permanent wallpaper. I've done it, I think this is my third time, because it doesn't have a residue, so it can be peeled off super easily if you have like an apartment or you're renting, or if you're just someone who is afraid of like a permanent thing like I am, then it's just such a great alternative. And I just think it's the cutest thing on the ceiling. I'm gonna back up a little bit so you can see better. And then my rug, I'm gonna link to this as well. I've gotten a ton of questions on it. I love it so much. And a lot of you guys know I'm just like such a saver. I'm like a saver, and sometimes I'm a splurger, but I save so I have the ability to splurge. So I always find like really good deals on furniture, especially like this stool. I'll get to this area in a second, but that was only $30 and it's brand new and I bought it online. So yeah, I don't know, I just find the best deals. And over here is the chair and ottoman. It's pink velvet, tufted, the gold on the edges. I feel like that's such a fun part of it, and you can't really see it. So yeah, it goes around the back a little bit, and I just think it's like the cutest thing. It's so comfortable. When I'm responding to comments and working on videos, a lot of times I'm sitting right here. I do have something I want to talk about in a minute and have your opinion about up there, because obviously it's like very empty and blank, but I'll get to that in just a second. And then on this wall is a little bit of like a calendar whiteboard. I put a lot of things up here. I turned it around right now, but like for planning videos out and just like projects that I have that I'm working on, it's typically filled up. I took a picture of it and then I erased it so I could share it with you. But yeah, it's typically full, and I found this at HomeGoods for $30, I'm pretty sure. I know that Pottery Barn has the exact same thing. It looks exactly the same for like $200. So HomeGoods for sure is a way better option for a better deal if you need something like this. I'm gonna go over here because I feel like this gives you a little better angle to just kind of see what it looks like. We are almost done in here. I didn't want to wait anymore because you guys have been asking for this video, and I feel so bad like holding off, but the crown molding is almost done. There's just like a few things throughout that have to be touched up, but since Chad is putting up like a bunch of stuff around the house right now, he's going to like run through all the touch-ups at the same time. He's doing a lot of this like in the basement right now. So that will be there eventually. These curtains are too long. I need to hem them. Please don't hold your breath. It's gonna take me a while. But I got these at HomeGoods. I think they are the DKNY brand, and they were $50, which I thought is a pretty good deal. So we'll give you, I feel like you can see over here a little bit better. But I just think that they really go with the wallpaper on this ceiling, and I just think they're super pretty. I feel like it's hard to tell what they look like. I'll try and give you so you can see. It's like an acid wash, I think that's what you call that. And now for my desk area. I know it's like real bright up here, but I just want to have the window open for some natural light at least. So I wanted a desk area that it was really comfortable to sit at, and I had like a big workspace. I don't really like to sit in a small and tight and cramped area. I like to spread out, but I don't sit here a ton. I probably sit here like 20% of the time. The rest of the time I'm here or Starbucks or wherever. So I got this stool. I think this was a Target stool, but it was like an express deal or something, so hopefully I can still find a link for you. And again, it was like $30 or $35. I was finding a lot of stools I liked, but I think they were all like $100 or more, and I really just wanted to find an affordable one since it's not something that I use super often. And then on my desk, it is just fairly plain right now because again, I just like space. I like to have space for my coffee and water and a snack, and if I want to have this thing wide open, then I can. So yeah, I just like the space of simplicity. And in the spring and summer, we do flower boxes on all the windows, so there will be flowers here, and it's just really, really relaxing. I love sitting with the windows open and like the flower boxes there. It's just like the prettiest thing. I'm seriously so excited for that. So I just have like pencils right here and pens and sticky notes. And then this folder that I just shared with you, this is the Bando brand from Home Goods. And then over here I just have a lamp and some business cards. I'll show you guys what they look like. There we go, but that's what they look like. And then I did completely redo this closet in another video, which I will link below as well. Like I painted it and everything. So I just keep files down here, sweaters and cardigans, and like spring and summer jackets right here. I have my printer, a bunch of like work and office-y stuff in the middle here. And then all the dresses are on this side. And up here is just some extra makeup and calendars and sweaters, and then half dirties, you guys know, go in this corner. I'm wearing them right now. And we made these doors. I get tons of questions about these doors as well. So basically it's just a regular thin door. And then we had the mirrors cut at like a custom place, so the size was exactly what we needed, and then we framed them and put on the handles, and that is it. It's very simple. It's time consuming, but I didn't just want a regular door, so we have these in all the closets upstairs, or almost all the closets. So that is that. Hopefully that answers some. Oh, I almost just tripped on the ottoman. And then down here is the matching ottoman. This is an add-on, so you don't have to buy the ottoman if you buy the chair, or vice versa. I bought the chair first, and then a few days after it came, I saw the ottoman and I had to get it. So there is some gold on the bottom. I don't know if you can tell. And it's just tufted and really pretty and super soft. They're both just very soft and comfortable, and I love sitting in there so much. And now for this wall. So this one is a little empty still as well, but this mirror, it's going to go up on the wall. We just haven't had a chance to do that yet, so picture that a little bit higher. And I don't want to do too much on the rest of the walls because like over here it's very busy. There's tons of stuff. I like to keep this open for the most part. I just like how it looks. And this obviously is very busy, and then the wallpaper on the ceiling is really busy. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm thinking of adding over here, because this is like so blank compared to the rest, but I don't want to just like completely fill it up for the sake of filling it up. I feel like there's just a lot of stuff in here already, and I just cannot get over this wallpaper. It's so pretty. They have tons of like different prints and styles, and I just am in love with semi-permanent wallpaper. It's just like such a fun thing to do. And what I wanted to ask you guys about are these. It's from IKEA. It's called the Simoning, something like that, but it basically is just a really cute small shelf. And I was thinking I could put them in this corner, like one here, one there, one here, and kind of stagger them. I was also thinking I could put them in front of this on the bottom and just do like 3 like that, you know, like split them up evenly. So let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna put in a picture on the IKEA website. I know it's kind of hard to tell when they're all in that packaging, but I don't want to do like a plant behind here because the chair, it's almost all the way up against the wall. There really isn't that much room behind it, so I don't want to like have it super cramped over here, but I want something. So I think like 3 of those right here, just like one there, one there, one there, and like flowers on them, or just something small and cute picture frames would be a good idea. And I'm gonna run through a bunch of things in my pack system from IKEA. I will have a link to that suitcase, by the way. We just got home from a trip, and then we're going on another trip in like a little over a week, so I left it out here, but I just think it's really cute. It has rose gold on it. I got a ton of compliments at the airport. I just want to show you the handle on it. Like, so cute. I'm gonna leave it like that actually. So yeah, I will link to that if you need a carry-on. It's a great one. I'm gonna link to these shoes. So many questions about those. I think they're still on sale. I'll link to both of these. Both of these are new, and these are a drawer like this. I'll link to those if they still have them. I've had those for a while. I'm not sure if I can have a link or find a link. And then down here, and these ones are by Mark Fisher. They have some great dupes for Valentino shoes. These ones are from Target from last year. A lot of questions on those, so I don't think they have those anymore. These are another Valentino dupe on Amazon that I will link to you, a flip-flop. Cannot wait to wear those on spring break. Really, really cute. Those are from Kate Spade. I don't think they make those anymore, but I know there's a dupe at Target. And those are also Target, and these ones are also by Mark Fisher. And one of my weird obsessions when it comes to home organization is hangers. I just love hangers for some strange reason. So I have hot pink ones in here and black ones in there, black ones in our bedroom for Chad's clothes. And since I've just like redone everything and have tons of things folded now, I have an extreme excess of black hangers, so I'm not going to run out of those for a very long time. And here is a bunch of accessories, sunglasses, and I wish I had my heart sunglasses in here to share with you, but I don't know where those are, so I will try and find a link for these. They are a dupe for the Gucci, I can't remember what they're called, but like a very expensive sunglass, and these ones I got for $20 or right under. And then I just keep a bunch of like the new accessories or ones that I wear on a daily basis right here, and then everything else is back there, and necklaces. Oh, and I just found this guy. It's like for your keys for summer and spring from Kate Spade, so I'm gonna put that on soon. Oh, ow. It's getting warm, so it's about time. I feel like doing a lot of pans in this video for some reason, but I just feel like it's the best way to get a feel of the room when you walk in and what it looks like. I do get questions asking like how I get home decor inspiration, and I love Addison's Wonderland on Instagram. She's not afraid of pops of color and bright colors and mixing patterns. Like, I'm a huge fan of patterns that are mixed and just things that seem like they shouldn't work but they do. Like, for example, this rug, obviously it's leopard and there's floral on the ceiling. There's a lot going on, but this is fairly neutral. It has a lot of the same tones as the wallpaper does. Hopefully that's coming across on camera. And then the curtains back here have a lot of the same tones as well, so I think it works. I love that it's like a little bit of a risk. And for Addison's Wonderland, she is like a little bit farmhousey and vintagey, which I'm not, but I know a lot of you guys are. So she's just like a great style inspiration Instagram and blog to follow if you are into that, or if you just want to try something new. I seem to get so many comments every day from people that are always into neutrals, but they want to add in some colors, and they ask me how to do that. So she's just like a great person to follow as well. But yeah, again, I'm just like such a fan of patterns that are mixed and just like fun pops. I love like having white walls. A lot of you guys know that too. I do white walls in almost all the rooms in our house, and then just like pops of color, whether it's on the ceiling or flowers or whatever. And that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and spending the time with me today. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm excited to hear your comments. I'm excited to read your comments and chat with you guys down below. Also, tons of links for you down there of tons of stuff in here. Please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!